In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create build tracker using BookBoat 2.0 Studio. In my last video, we did keyword research using movers and shakers and KDP Spy. We decided to search keywords for build tracker and build organizer. So now let's create this book. I'm going to use BookBoat Studio. Just open BookBoat Studio. I will open a new project. From here, project, new project, paperback, cover and interior, project name, let's say build tracker, 6 by 9, or let's do 8.5 by 11 inches, no bleed, black and white interior with white paper, and let's do it 100 pages. Just hit create, and it's going to create 100 pages, just blank pages, and this one, the first one, is the cover. So from this icon, just click here, type build, and there you go, we've got build tracker. Just we can preview it from here. I'm going to use this page, go back, just click on the page, select all, and just press Ctrl and click on the first page to exclude this, because this one is going to be the cover page. And just click continue to options, keep aspect ratio, submit, and it's going to create 100 pages with this template. So now let's just do the cover. You can see from here the pages, they are the same. We need to do the cover. This is the dimensions of the cover. I'm going to create very quickly some plain cover, but you can play and create something very nice. So I will go on image generator. Just I will do boho, let's say vintage boho style pattern, and just click generate. You can see it's going to cost me 8 credits. Just hit create. We're going to wait few more seconds. And by the way, since we are waiting, if you want to subscribe to BookBoat, you've got 3-day free trial on both plans. But if you want to use Studio, you need to subscribe to Pro plan. This is the yearly prices, and here are the monthly prices. And by the way, if you're interested, I have coupon for 20% off for lifetime. Let's back to the studio. There you go. This is our image. Just add this to page. It's going to add this to this page. I'm going to restretch this like this. Perfect. Let's do it in the middle. Just Control C, Control V, and we've got our pattern ready. Now this is our cover. Now just click here on elements, click on this box. Let me move this on the middle. You can see the line in the middle. This is in the middle. So now go back to text, add headline, move this here, make the text white. Perfect. And just type build tracker. Done. So make this smaller, a little bit smaller. Here you can add the number of the pages, the dimensions. Let's say open another text, another headline. Let's say 100 pages, 8.5 by 11 inches. Make this smaller. Make the text white. Close this. 100 pages, 8.5 by 11. I will make this even smaller, or I can change the font. Let's say this one. Make this smaller. Perfect. And this one is going to be which font? Let's do this one. Let's say this one. Okay. And I'm going to do this uppercases. Let's make the box bigger. I think we are almost ready. I'll put this in the middle, build tracker. There you go. Let's say this is our front page. I can change the color. And also with this pen, I can click here, just click here, and I can grab some colors from this pattern. Let's say this one. There you go. This is going to be our front page. We can move this on the middle, on the bottom, but I will leave this like this. So go on download current project. You can see here, this one is for printed books, this one is for ebooks. We're going to upload this to KDP, so we need the first one. Here we need to click this button because we're going to use AI image for the front page. Just click I understand. Okay, there you go, it's ready. Let's open this file. This one is test, but we need this one. Just extract this. There you go. We've got source pages, and we've got, so this one is the paperback cover. Just let's double click. You can see this is the cover. Close this, and you can see the cover also here, and this is the interior. You can see 100 pages. Let me do this a little bit smaller, like this. There you go. And you can see this is 100 pages of the same build tracker. You need to upload separately the interior and the cover in Amazon KDP. So this was very quick tutorial how to create build tracker with BookBall Studio 2.0. And if you have any interest, the link will be down below in the description. With that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.